Hi everyone, here we've got Listo SP50 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Reset Options, and at the very top position we've got the option we're looking for. So just tap on it, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, cellular data, so the mobile data, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset if you are ready, and wait a second. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Listo SP50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.